Hi, I'm Michael, your handyman, and welcome to another segment. We got a quick emergency call. We got a resident that we normally deal with that has a flat tire. We're going to try to see what we can do about that. Here's the flat. We have the necessary equipment to change that for the homeowner. We're going to get in here right quick and get this done. I'm going to first chalk off the wheels with our wheel chalk. And this chalk the wheels so the vehicle doesn't move forward. Then what we will do is pre-loosen our screws. Before we begin to jack it up, which will make it much easier. Now what we will do is grab the jack. Here's the jack for the vehicle, a scissor jack. We will put that jack right at our lifting point under the vehicle. We begin to turn the jack, lifting it into the lift position. While keeping it in line with the undermount of the carriage. Okay. Now we're twisting. The vehicle begins to lift slowly. We want to do this nice, slow, and control. We want complete control over this lifting process. We just need enough to clear the tire. Okay, almost. The tire must have really came apart while they was driving. Luckily, no one was hurt. That could have been a different story than just a tire blowout. Okay. Steady raising it. Okay, now let's try to clear this shredded tire out of here. Now what we'll do is we will continue to remove these bolts, or lugs, excuse me, wheel lugs. Okay, that's one out of the 4 coming off. Okay. Make sure you keep these together. Here is number 2 coming. We didn't want to put this off until the morning. You know, we could have. You know, we want to be prepared for a potential emergency. In a little time, we get this out of the way for our neighbor. Okay. Number 3 is coming off. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that donut on here until she can get another tire replacement. Now the last and final 4th lug. Yes, they're on here tight, as they should be. You don't want your tire coming off while you're traveling down the road. Okay, now let's get this off. Now let's remove the tire. You got that tire off. Let's set it to the side and out the way. Now we're grabbing our donut. We're gonna align it with our tire. Before we put it on, we're gonna take a visual inspection of the wheel well to make sure that there were no damage. Everything else seems to be in line, you know. And now we're gonna put on our donut. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to raise it up a little more, clear for our donut. Just about. Okay, a little more. The vehicle is secure. The wheels are chalked. Okay, now the donut is on. We'll start putting on the lugs back onto the vehicle. It's number 1. That's number 2. That's number 3. Number 4 working in. And take your time. You don't want to strip these lugs out. They can go in nice and easy. And take your time. Make sure they're finger tight. Then we'll bring in our iron. Righty tighty in a star-shaped pattern. Little by little. You know, don't do all one time. Work on independently. Okay, right now we're gonna let this car down so we can tighten it up. Now we're gonna do the reverse. And let the vehicle back down. Now the vehicle is beginning to rest on the donut. Okay. This is generally not the type of jack that I generally use. I have a 4-ton jack that I acquired from Harbor Freight, and you know, electrical tools, but this was a quick emergency. Okay, now the jack is freed up. Now, continue to tighten up our lugs. And our star pattern. So now we got our wheel back on. We got the homeowner back into the car. She'll be able to go into the station tomorrow and get that donut replaced, you know, with a standard tire, because the donut is only a spare. It's not a replacement. It's only a spare to get you to the service station so they can change that tire, and it's not rated to be going on the freeway at high speeds. But with that being said, I'm Michael, your handyman, and if you continue to like these quick segments, hit that like and subscribe. We'll keep bringing them to you. Stay blessed, and see you later.